Hello, greetings and welcome back to another video of Class 2 Computer. Today we are going to learn about the new lesson. The name of lesson is Safety while using computing. Safety while computing. Computing means what? Computing means use of a computer for different things. So what are the things or where we use our computer? So mainly we play games using our computer. We watch movies. Do we watch movies? Yes, we do. We listen music. We use computer for the offices, for schools, for chatting, or for sending mails and all that. So we use computer for many purposes. This was about the uses of computer. But apart from these uses, can anyone tell me how long do you use computer or any electronic device? So maybe some of you may be using for 30 minutes, for 1 hour, for 2 hours, for 3 hours, 4 hours, or more than 4 hours. And what happens when we use our computer for long hours? Means when we computer for a long time, what happens? We may have our back itch, our back starts paining, your eyes starts little bit itching or tired, and many other things are there. So to avoid this kind of a problem, what we should do? We should not use computer more than 1 or 2 hours. And if you are using computer more than 1 or 2 hours, so you should take breaks in between. अगर आप 1 या 2 घंटे से ज्यादा कंप्यूटर यूज करोगे तो आपको क्या करना चाहिए? बीच में थोड़ा थोड़ा एक 10 मिनट का 5 मिनट का ब्रेक लेना चाहिए. So when you are using your computer or when you are working on your computer, do you sit properly? Do you really sit properly? So that we are going to see what is the correct posture to sit in front of the computer. So the first thing that you should remember, आपको एक चीज ध्यान में रखनी है, वो कौन सी है? Your chair should be in front of your monitor, and your monitor should be little bit lower side to your eye. आपके आंखों के ऊपर नहीं होना चाहिए, आपके आंखों के नीचे होना चाहिए आपका मॉनिटर. And the distance between your monitor screen and your body or your eyes should be at least 22 to 28 inches. Means आप मोटा मोटा 2 फीट कह सकते हो, 2 फीट का डिस्टेंस चाहिए. So it will not cause you that eye problems and all that. But if you have all these things correctly, what else you have to remember or what you have to look after? That your correct posture. When you are sitting in front of your computer, your back should be straight. Your back should be straight, and which should be well supported by your chair's backrest. अगर आप बैठ रहे हो चेयर पे तो आपकी बैक यानी आपकी पीठ को आपकी चेयर का पूरा सपोर्ट होना चाहिए, जिससे कि आप टायर्ड नहीं रहोगे, जिससे आपके बैक में पेन होना स्टार्ट नहीं होगा. And next thing, when you are sitting, your back should be supported and your hand should be straight in a 90 degree. See on your screen, you can see the hand position. Your hands are like this, means your hands are relaxed. आपके हाथ क्या है? Relax है. Your hands are relaxing over there, so it will not cause any kind of a pain and all that. So your hand should be supported properly while using keyboard or a mouse. And your mouse, when you are using your mouse or a keyboard, your wrist means this, your wrist should be relaxed. उसपे stress नहीं होना चाहिए, ज़्यादा दूर भी नहीं, ज़्यादा नजदीक भी नहीं. Okay, it should be relaxed. And one more thing, your both the feet should be flat on the floor. Your both the feet should be flat on the floor. नहीं तो चेयर बहुत बड़ा है, बहुत छोटा है, that should not be the case. Okay, your feet should be flat on the floor. Got it? So what are the things? The first is your correct posture. You have to sit straight. Distance mota mota 2 feet ka, that is 22 to 28 inches distance. Your back should be well rested, well supported, and your hands are also well rested, well supported. Your wrist should be relaxed. Okay, your feet should be flat on the floor. Now, if, as we told about these things, so which one is the correct posture? Guess posture number 1 or posture number 2. In posture 1, a girl is bending towards a monitor, and in the second one, girl is sitting properly, I suppose. So which one is the correct one? First one? No. So it is second one. Second one is the correct posture. Got it? Now, suppose you are using computer, you have correct posture also, but though there is some pain in your back or your wrist or your feet. So what you should do? So there are some exercises that you can do. So first exercise is for your neck, because by looking continuously towards your monitor, your neck may start paining. So for that, we have an exercise. What you have to do? You have to tilt your neck to the right side first. Hold in this position for 15 seconds. Then tilt your head is this one, to your left side. आपको क्या करना है? आपका जो सर है राइट शोल्डर के ऊपर ऐसे टिल्ट करना है, मोड़ना है, 15 सेकंड के लिए होल्ड करना है, फिर स्ट्रेट करके फिर लेफ्ट पे करना है. ये आपको बार बार करना है. How many times? You have to do it 3 times. 3 times to the right, 3 times to the left, and हर बार 15-15 seconds. If you do this, your neck will feel relaxed. Your neck will feel relaxed. This was about neck. Now what about your hand? You are typing for a long time. You are using your mouse for a long time. So there is one exercise. You have to take your palm. Okay, you can bend fingers. Okay, as you can see in your screen, you can bend fingers. Okay, facing upwards or downwards, and hold it for 20 seconds. ज्यादा भी नहीं ये करना है, तो कुछ आवाज दूसरा ही निकलेगा. Okay, so you have to hold it, but up to some extent you have to bend it, and repeat the same exercise for other hand also, and you have to do this also 3 times. This was about hand. First is of neck, second is of hand. Now, and what about wrist? As we said, our wrist should be relaxed, but if it is not relaxed, what is the exercise? Just make a fist. Fist means your muthi banani. Make a fist, rotate clockwise. Clockwise isko घुमाना है 3 times. Hold it. Anti-clockwise 3 times. Hold it. ये same left hand के लिए भी करना है, right hand. For the both hand, you have to do this exercise. How many times? 3 times. Okay. So neck exercise, palm exercise, wrist exercise. Now, if your hands are paining, so what you can do? You can interlock your hands as shown in the picture, and just bend to your left and bend to your right. Hold. If you are bending towards right side, अगर आप right side को झुक रहे हो, 15 सेकंड के लिए आपको होल्ड करना है. Okay. Then come back to original position. Then go to the left. Again hold it for 15 seconds. ये एक्सरसाइज आपको कितनी बार करना है? 3 बार करना है. इमेज में वो जल्दी जल्दी हिट रहा है, but you have to hold it for 15 seconds. Got it? Next one. When we sit for a long time, our feet also start paining. So for that, we have these 3 exercises. You can rotate your feet, okay, clockwise, then anti-clockwise, or take your feet on your knee and just do the same exercise as we did for our palm, or you can just with the fingers, just you have to stretch the fingers of your feet. This is also a simple exercise, and each exercise you have to do how many times? 3 times. Where? Got it? Now, suppose you have done all these things, but what are the tips to minimize the eye strain, eye stress? So what you can do, you can simply take a pen or a pencil, okay, and place them to a particular height. Stretch your hand as shown in the figure. Stretch your hand and look at the nip of the pencil for 30 seconds. Okay, 30 seconds you have to look it for continuously. You have to look. Then take it closer, look it again, hold it back to its original position, that is stretch your hand. This exercise also you can do after every half an hour if you are working continuously in front of your computer screen. Instead of a pencil, you can use a pen also, or you can use any other thing also, and you can do other thing also. You can just rotate your eyeballs also. You can rotate your eyeballs in clockwise also and in anti-clockwise also after every half an hour. Got it? I hope you all have understood the exercises when using a computer, but I recommend you not to use computer for a long time. I hope you all are happy and keeping safe. Take care everyone. Bye bye.